what's my advice on tabletop closings? Let me tell you, when I got started investing and was looking for an attorney to do stuff for me, and you got to understand, I got started in Georgia where the foreclosure timeline is super tight. Literally, there are no tip-off documents at the courthouse. There's no list pendants filed. In fact, the course I got started with Carlton Sheets, and they said there's a list pendants filed at the courthouse. I had an argument with the clerk about, listen, there's something down here at the courthouse that is letting everybody know about a foreclosure. Where's that? She's
trying to keep it from me. Why are you keeping it from me?
Yeah. Why won't you show it to me? Why is it a secret? But turns out in Georgia, there's nothing. The first notification to anyone other than the homeowner who's gotten registered or certified mail from the lender or FedEx packets, the first notification to anybody is publication in the first Saturday of the month newspaper. That's it. So everybody's on a level playing field with regard to that. But the foreclosure is the following first Tuesday of the month. So, I mean, it's like 28 or 30 days, boom, and it's done. But you can literally stop it in a few hours. And what you need is a title search, to know what you're buying. And then writing a check to the attorney handling the foreclosure. But when you've had a few people call you up a day or two before the auction and you need to get some stuff done, it's really hard to get an official closing set up. And that's why I started doing what we refer to as kitchen table closings, tabletop closings, that sort of thing. When I moved out of the country in 2010 and didn't have a lot of contacts and things like that, I was already familiar with the process. And what I found was it was just super easy to get stuff done with a mobile notary. So to this day, I'm going to do pretty much all of the purchases with a mobile notary. It's just simple to do. It's really easy. I've been doing this for a really long time. Now, if you've never bought a house subject to, should you be doing a tabletop closing? Probably not. In fact, if you have to ask, do I need an attorney? Chances are you do. So would I recommend that as a way to get started? No, I would not. If you're very comfortable with preparing your own documents and doing that sort of thing, yes, it is something that you can do.